Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to perform an activity. And guys, we are going to make a toy recognizer system in Pictoblox. And guys, for that we need to load an extension called machine learning. So we'll first go to add extension button, and we'll get a number of extensions for this, such as go direct force and acceleration, and this is Lego Boost. These are for the new robot launchers launched. Translate, music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, weather data, and all. So guys, we have to use this classify image, audio, and pose. Machine learning. So guys, machine learning helps to deal with these types of projects. And guys, here we are getting two options, which is create a model or load a model. So guys, what we have to do is when we need some models or some default data or the feeded data to recognize it. And guys, we create some models and teachable machines. So guys, let's go to teachable machine website. So guys, actually this is the teachable machines website, and I already have uploaded some toys, my toys, because I was just available with two toys, teddy bear and a puppy, and I have given the samples also. How to give samples, I'll just tell you. Just go to the webcam option, or you have to upload, you can upload it from your device. So go to webcam option. So like it's loading here. So it's loaded, and just click and just show your teddy to it. Just show your teddy to it, and just wait. Yeah, this is the teddy, and just click hold to record, and your samples will be loaded. So guys, this is ready. My project is ready, and let's test it. So this is the teddy bear I have with me. So let's see. So yeah guys, this is giving 100% confidence for this teddy bear, and this is a puppy. My puppy, like, it's facing some errors. Yes, so now it's also 100%. So my model is working perfectly. Now what I'll do is I'll turn off the input because it uses data. Turn off the input. Yeah, it's off. So now I'll export the model. So click on export model. From here we'll get a shareable link. So now it's upload my model. So we have to click upload my model, and a link will come, which will be a shareable link. So it's uploading, and guys, it took time. Even half an hour it take, but we are provided with a teachable machine link very fast. So let's copy it, and we'll go back to Pictoblox, and we'll click on load a model, and we'll be redirected here, and we'll select the model type as image, because we have select the image model. So now we'll press the link, and we'll click on load model. So it's loading, and guys, it's very simple, creating models. But sometimes the hard part is teachable machine model. It took even a day to create, because it depends on your samples and network speed. More the samples, more it will take time. So guys, now what we have to do is we are provided with a set of 7 blocks, or it's 6 blocks. We are provided with 6 blocks to play with machine learning. So see guys, what was the option? Teddy bear, puppy. So they are coming. So let's see. So first let's write. So first we'll drag and drop when green flag had block clicked as a script starter. We have learned. And guys, we can use either this open recognition window and turn on video on stage with 0% transparency block. But why? We have to, like, there should be something which will recognize our model. So let's say turn on video on stage with 0% transparency block, because a video is more, and we'll set Toby as here. Okay, so it can recognize. Now we have to run the script continuously, so we'll drag and drop a forever block, and now we'll drag and drop an if then else block. Now what we have to do, guys, go to machine learning palette and we'll write if is identified from class from on stage from stage if teddy bear is recognized. So a Toby will say teddy. Okay, it will say like make it more interesting, hello teddy. Okay, and now in the else column we'll again drag and drop an if then now. Okay, and we'll drag and drop this if is identified class from the stage is a puppy, and we'll make Toby say hello puppy. Okay, so now a script is completed, and now I'm having a toy with me. So let's see. So I have magnified it, and now I'm clicking on this hat block. So it's executing, it's taking time. So it's hello teddy. So it's again and again saying hello teddy, and this hello puppy. Okay, so it's recognizing it teddy. Now hello puppy. So guys, as you have seen that it's recognizing me as a teddy. I didn't look like a teddy, it's the teddy. So this was the toy recognizer, and I hope you liked it, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel, guys. Bye. And guys, I'll upload the video for the artificial intelligence course, and a DIY is also coming, so stay tuned for that. So thank you, guys. Bye.